Hi, Ophia. Hi, who's 6 months old today? Well, hello. What you gonna get? What you going for? Look at her go, everyone. She's 6 months old and she's crawling already. Somebody loves remote controls. Oh yes, that gets her going real fast. Real fast. Okay, slow it down. You got it. You did it. She made it to the remote. Fast too. My little 6-month-old. Okay, give me the remote back now. This one is our last working one. You want to look at the chair? Careful. Careful. Okay, watch out for Christina and watch out for the chair. Hello, little one. Whoa, watch your head. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, Ophia. Trying to go under there. Okay, recording's over, people. Got to move the baby. She's fast. Got time to baby-proof this house. Okay. Come here, Ophia. Whoa. Whoa, 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 Ophia, Ophia. Okay. Watch it, kid. Watch it. You're gonna bump that little head of yours.